Still ahead here on Good Morning Arizona, help for your health for everything from migraines to asthma. And it may be as close as your fingers and toes. Next, how you can put a little pressure in the right spot to make your whole body feel a whole lot better. We'll be right back, Arizona. It's 9:09. All right. Thank you very much, Kim. All right. We talked about better health, of course, and it literally could be at the tips of your fingers and your toes. We find this fascinating. That's why we're talking to Dr. Ed Lamadrid, who specializes in numerous things, including reflexology. And I'm holding what looks like a funny little sock, but this is something that you could do at home for yourself to ease things from a headache to stomach issues.
Absolutely. So I teach massage therapists reflexology.
Okay.
But if you're not a massage therapist and you want to take home the benefits of reflexology, this is a great way to do it.
And reflexology is nothing new. It's been used for thousands of years.
It's been around for thousands of years. It's been documented in Egypt and in China and in Japan. And so it's just gaining a lot of recurrence because hospitals are using this now. If you consider one of the great ways to kind of reduce anxiety for your patients is to get a massage. But in a hospital, it's not really practical, but
Sure.
reflexology is actually really practical.
And on the screen right now are the numerous things that it can help, everything from even back pain, sleep issues, all these things it addresses.
So a lot of my students, they'll come into class, I've got a headache, I've got sinus pressure, by the end of class, it's gone.
You don't even want me to mention what I'm hurting right now. Feeling old and hurting everywhere. All right, he's going to actually demonstrate, and this may sound a little weird, but we're bringing in a little foot model here. She refuses to be seen on camera this morning because she's been working since midnight last night, one of our producers. So, Patricia, bring in that foot, and Dr. Lamadrid is going to show us how this works.
So this sock was developed by a colleague of mine, Michelle Eben, who wrote a book, Hands on Feet, and the sock is included. So you can get this, you can become a rock star at home. You know, so Valentine's Day could be every day for your partner by getting these socks. So they will love you. And so basically all the zones that are necessary. So if your partner's got a headache, you're just a tension headache.
It shows you where to press. Now, are you pushing down? Or are you massaging? What are you doing?
So you're pressing down.
Okay.
And releasing. And you want your partner to actually breathe through it. So I would ask her, so take a breath in. And as you exhale, just press in. And then move on. And so here at the base of the toes, this would release tension headaches. Migraines would be up in the big toe. Sinus pressure would be the tips of each of the toes.
Oh, okay.
And then you can go down to all the organs, stomach, heart, lungs, down to the lower bowels, sciatic nerve, which a lot of people have back pain. This is great for relieving the sciatic nerve and low back pain.
Now, here's one of the interesting ones I find on this, and maybe Patricia needs this: liver for a hangover help.
Liver. Well, every once in a while, the liver is all about detoxifying. So the liver could use a little help depending on what we've done the night before. So.
I'm just teasing. She's been working hard. And how long before you would find relief? Is it pretty instant? Does it take a while?
You could find relief pretty quickly, like within 20 to 30 minutes. And when I do reflexology on my patients, it puts them right to sleep in like 10 minutes.
Wow, that quickly? All right. Dr. Lamadrid, we sure appreciate talking about reflexology. We sure appreciate it.
Thanks, Tess.